Mahal, papasalamat ako sa Diyos at ibinigay ka niya sa akin na kahit ganon ang nag-umpisa tayo ng mahirap ang buhay natin, ginawa mo ang best mo sa tulong ng Diyos. Sana bigyan pa tayo ng maraming taon na magkasama at magmahalan pa ng marami pang taon.
Don't take it for granted. Love divine. I felt heaven and my world collide. You took this wounded heart of mine and put it back together. You know my imperfection, I thought I learned my lesson, that I'd never be loved by someone like you. Changed up my direction, but sometimes I still question how I was worth the love of someone like you. Of someone like you.
To Mama and Papa, happy 50th wedding anniversary. Thank you so much sa lahat ng patience, pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa akin at sa aming apat na magkakapatid from the beginning. You both deserve this.
Sana ay kahit sa ganitong paraan ay maipakita namin ang aming pagmamahal sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-aalaga sa amin at happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Hi, Ma, Pa. Happy 50th anniversary. Grabe, 50 years. Your love story is really one for the books. And we are really, really happy and thankful na nandito na tayo sa puntong 50 years na-celebrate natin. We are really blessed to have a parents like you.
Mula noong inasal tayo, 1975, hanggang ngayon, 8 years na, andyan pa rin ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Dahil ikaw, hindi rin nagbago kung ano yung sinumpaan mo sa akin noon, magmahalan tayo. Tinupad mo.
In your arms is where I found my home.
Papa at Mama, masaya kami at pinagkaloob ng Panginoon ang araw na ito. Masaya kami at mabibigyan namin kayo ng ganitong regalo. Biyayaan sana kayo ng Panginoon ng malusog na pangangatawan at tuloy-tuloy kayo na maglilingkod sa Kanya. Muli, happy 50th wedding anniversary, Mama at Papa. We love you.
I promise to love you till the end of time. Heart, soul, and body intertwined. You and I, love divine. You and in your warmth is where my heart takes flight. I'll stay.
Brother Manuel, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to Elizabeth before God and this community. Sister Elizabeth, you will affirm your married love and fidelity to Manuel before God and this community.